Hey guys, what do you want to do? I don't know. Yeah. Well, guys, go on to town in the next 10 days. So someone's gonna be replacing me. So yeah. Goodbye. It's just do. What? What? Well, I'm gonna raise an F and F, okay? Well, I guess you're just a replacement. That's what it's also what we do. What now? Could you shut up? Hmm. Hmm. See what something's on the laptop today. Let's see. Hmm. You know, I don't know how to play FNF.
3, 2, 1, go!
Look, anonymous. Was that Among Us? I don't know what I think you're gonna do.
Three, two, one, go.
He's scared because he's not afraid after that. What? Also looks like I'm doing good. What? Alright. Let's do one step up front, then I'll just go back. Alright. What? What the Luigi? What the heck are you doing? Luigi? Hey Luigi. Ah! What the heck? Who are you supposed to be? What do you mean I'm Mario? I'm your brother. Oh. I don't really recognize it. What the heck is with the new style? Look weird. That's what the heck is that on your back? Oh, that's just my ghost statue. That's what it's like a ghost. I'm done. Oh, do you mean just to save your brother? Yeah, that too. What the heck?
Good stuff, Brandon. Good stuff. I wish I had a flashlight. That might be the most absurd thing that's ever happened to me in the entire life of the Frustrated Gamer. What is going on, everybody? I am Brandon, aka the Frustrated Gamer, and welcome to Hello Neighbor. Guys, this is a game that somehow I have never played. Me, Spycakes, Opie, and Komodo just played Secret Neighbor, which is the new Hello Neighbor, but I've never played the original one, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to play the original one.
Well, Mario, I gotta go, okay?
Guys, if you want to see more of this game, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of this game. I'm gonna jump right in. I don't really know how to play Secret Neighbor. I kind of know the concept, but I've never played the game before, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, there's also a bunch of
Well, How long supposed to be again? 11 minutes. Well, guys, I'm back. 10 days later. Well, guys, time me to go. Bye. Oh, dude. Joseph! I know, you missed me. I know. How does he even know we missed him? I mean, well, as for 10 days, 10 days is a long time. You have to. Well, actually, Luigi's my cousin. Wait, so you're telling me Luigi has a cousin? Yep. He has a brother and a cousin. I didn't know. I guess there was some way to prove it. Is that a new Luigi? Yes, it is. Ah, what kind of Luigi is that? He looks ugly. Hey, that was rude. Oh, what the heck? I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
What is he doing? Oh, he left this on me. Oh,